You work so hard to be broke. You work so hard to be struggling with credit cards debt of up to 28%. You work so hard every single day to be having $0 in your checking or even in your savings account. But most interestingly, you work so hard to be living paycheck to paycheck. Because think about it. You wake up every single day, right? Go to work and use your active income to literally fund your lifestyle. And that's it. And some of us who work night shift, right? We don't even go to bed at night. And all we are doing is going out to get that bread, which is our active income. But what we do on the flip side is that we use our active income to 100% fund and facilitate our lifestyle. But what we forget is that on the flip side, the rich, the wealthy, and those who are financially savvy, they are using their active income to buy assets, to invest in real estate, to invest in stocks, but intentionally making sure that their active income is producing and giving them passive income. And then they are using their passive income to fund the lifestyle. And in 2026, especially starting in this month of April, we have to commit and be intentional when it comes to how we spend our money. Let's wake up and start investing in assets, then start leveraging our assets to make sure that they will go ahead and fund our lifestyle. Because in each and everything that we do, it is okay 100% to come from a poor family, but it's upon your shoulders if you make sure that a poor family comes from you. So we have to be intentional, we have to save aggressively, but equally invest with the purpose to make sure that we grow and expand our money. So in 2026, you are going to make sure that you build your emergency fund. All from 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. That's number one. Number two, you have to make sure that you intentionally start saving. And once you save up enough money, we are going now to pretty much start investing for our future. Because if you're in your 20s, your 30s are catching up with you pretty much soon. And if you're in your 30s, your 40s are already knocking on your door. So it's very, very important to start investing intentionally for our future and for our retirement. And last but not least, we have to make sure that we actively start to 10x our income. Or especially if we don't, we can always make sure that we are making the right steps towards the right direction. And the easiest and the best way to do that is to make sure that we identify a good skill that we know and already have. Then we start monetizing and or even sharpening on that skill sets so that when it comes to the marketplace, there is so much value that you can get in return. And as always, my name is Nick. I do make personal finance content all the way from budgeting to saving and investing with the main goal and the collective purpose to make sure that we all grow and multiply our money for a secured future. So if that is something that is interesting to you, make sure to go ahead and smash that like button. And if you can, make sure to go ahead and subscribe so that every time we upload a brand new video, you'll be the very first one to be notified. And having said all that, peace out.